Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Scale Up. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how you can get more space, or you can simply free up your space that you are running out of space on Windows 11 or 12. Sorry for that, 11 or 10, Windows 11 or 10. So let's get started. To do this, you have to simply click on the home button or like on your keyboard, or you can simply comes over here in home tab bar. So you have to simply click on starter button. Once you click on that, you have to simply click on settings. Once you click on settings, you will come in the settings page of your Windows. So you have to do is simply click on the systems, and once you click on systems, you will see these left side menu over here. In this, you will see storage. Once you click on storage, you will come in this page. So you can see over here temporary files, documents, and apps and features. It will scan all these on your PC, and then you have to do is simply click on temporary files. Once you click on this, it's gonna be search all the temporary files on your PC. So you have to do is simply click on all the temporary files from here, or you can simply click on remove files from here. So simply click on this. It's gonna be remove all the unnecessary or temporary files that are stored in your PC. So it's gonna be remove all of them, and then you have to do after this, cleaning all the necessary apps or like files over here, or temporary files in your PC. Once you delete all these, you have to do is delete your recycle bin. You can see over here it's deleted over here, but in case I want to delete this, and it's gonna be remove all this space as well, and then you have to do is a restart, or like restart your PC, and then you have to do is simply comes in your settings, and then you have to do is comes in your home page of your settings. So then you have to do is click on apps, and then you have to uninstall all the large or unused apps from your PC to get more, or like free up space on your PC. So as you can see, I have 1 MB apps, so like I have the mostly 30 MBs apps over here in my PC, as you can see over here. So if you have more than 1 GB, or like 16 GB or 15 GB, like these kind of large apps in your PC, as you can see over here, I have this about 11 GB. So you can simply click on this and then install this app from your PC, and you will get more space. Or like you can see over here in your file folder, you will see this. It's gonna be changed, like it's now 430.8 GB. You will see over here less than this, or like 53 or like 54 more space that is free from the 118 GBs. So you can see over here it's gonna be changed all these. So that's it. That's how you can do it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like my video, subscribe my channel Scale Up, and also drop me a comment for more tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.